Today let me give you a small challenge. In this challenge you have to run a 6 kilometers long marathon that is going to take place tomorrow. So that means you won't get any time to prepare yourself. So will you accept such challenge? Do give your answers below in the comment box. Do you know when David was given such a challenge what he did? Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Shah and today I am going to discuss about David and his challenge that is discussed in chapter 6. It's not about trophy of the book Can't Hurt Me. So shall we begin? This chapter talks about the most difficult challenge David ever took for a purpose to help a charitable organization in raising funds for families of fallen soldiers. The name of this challenge was 24 Hours Sanju 100-mile race event. In this event, participants had to complete 100-mile race in 24 hours. The day of the race was considered to be perfect as the weather was cool and pleasant. When David reached the venue, he saw many participants who were preparing for the race for months. But David had just started his preparations 3 days ago. But he was 100% sure that he will win the race. The race has begun. The director of the race, John Mitz, saw him running and he realized that David was not prepared at all. So he went to him and advised him not to run, but David was sure that he will surely win. After completing 27 miles, pain and bleeding attacked his legs, but he still continued, thinking of his good purpose. After completing 50 miles, his pain started moving towards his whole body like waves, but still he continued. After completing 70 miles, his pain became unbearable and he started to feel dizzy and dehydrated. So he thought to take some rest. So he went to his wife. Meanwhile, all the other participants was ahead of him. He took rest for 20 minutes and he took rest for 20 minutes and he resumed after it. After completing 81 miles, he realized that his fight was not against some charitable purpose, but this fight was against himself. So he continued. The rest few miles were really difficult for him, but he thought of all the pain and suffering that he faced in his life. That gave him motivation to complete the race. Finally, he completed the race, but his condition became more miserable. The nurse advised him to go to the hospital, but David didn't want to take any painkillers, so he went directly to his house. At his house, his condition became more miserable and he was suffering from kidney failure. David considered his pain and suffering as a trophy. This chapter talks about the most difficult physical challenge David ever took and teaches us the most important lesson of life, that is, will and determination can help us to achieve everything in spite of all our pain and suffering. Thank you.